So looking at number 2 here, here's our formula. It's the difference between the x's. Subtract the x's and square it. Add that to the difference between the y's and square it. That will make our distance. So here are the x's. So -6 minus 4 squared plus -3 minus 3 squared. So that's -10 squared plus -6 squared. So that's 100 plus 36. So the square root of 136. Now, let me take a look here. And I can't remember whether you were required to simplify this or not. Let me check. I don't recall right now. I'm checking my answer here real quick. That you are required to simplify it. So let me talk about simplifying. All right. So this answer right here, this is basic. If you want to get a 4 on this assignment, if you want to get an A on it, you got to go farther. So here's what you got to do to go farther. Square root of 136 is what they call unsimplified. And here's the idea. We can factor square roots. Like the square root of 4 times the square root of 5 is the square root of 20. See how I can factor them? Now the reason you might take square root of 20 and break this up is because it has a factor that's a perfect square. 4 is. Square root of 4 is just plain old 2, so we could rewrite this as 2 times the square root of 5. So I'm going to do that same thing here with 136. So 136, let's see, I want to see if it's got any perfect squares in it. 4 times, I think 4 goes into it. Let's take the calculator, and that's 136 divided by 4 is 34, yes. Okay, so 4 times 34. So if I factor this as square root of 4 times the square root of 34, the perfect square gets to, let me get this so I can see. The perfect square gets to come out to square root of 34. That is your best final answer. This is good. This is better.